Concrete pump trucks play a crucial role in the construction industry, serving as essential vehicles that facilitate the efficient transfer of concrete from mixing stations to construction sites. With their professional design, concrete pump trucks have the capability to reach challenging locations, enhancing work efficiency and reducing manual labor. Equipped with powerful engines and high-quality pumping systems, these trucks ensure the necessary pressure and flow of concrete. Modern control systems enable operators to easily adjust the pumping process, optimizing operational performance and ensuring the quality of the final product. Concrete pump trucks are commonly utilized in the construction of large-scale projects such as bridges, high-rise buildings, and residential complexes. Their flexibility and effectiveness make them a preferred choice for delivering concrete to areas that are hard to reach. The use of concrete pump trucks not only saves time but also enhances the precision and uniformity of the concrete pumping process, contributing to the overall quality of construction projects. The crane tower, also known as a lifting tower, is a structural element of significant importance in supporting and maintaining the operations of various types of machinery and equipment. Constructed with a central column running vertically along the center, a crane tower is often designed to bear heavy loads and withstand pressure from the engines or machinery it serves. The crane tower is not only a crucial part of the industrial sector but also an emblem of convenience and flexibility in the operation of equipment. Crane towers are commonly used in heavy industries such as construction, mining, and manufacturing, where they are responsible for lifting, lowering, and moving large materials. Moreover, the crane tower plays a vital role in optimizing space and enhancing operational efficiency. Its flexibility and reliability have made it an indispensable component of modern industrial infrastructure. A dump truck, also known as a tipper truck, is a specialized type of vehicle designed for transporting and handling construction materials, such as soil, rocks, sand, gravel, and various other commodities. The distinctive feature of a dump truck is its tilting cargo bed, which facilitates the efficient unloading of materials. With a robust structure and substantial load-carrying capacity, dump trucks are commonly employed in construction projects, quarries, road construction, and various industrial applications. The tipping bed design streamlines the loading and unloading processes, reducing time and effort for the operator. Some dump trucks are equipped with modern technologies, including remote control systems, safety sensors, and energy-efficient engines. These features not only enhance operational efficiency but also contribute to reduced energy consumption and environmental impact. Dump trucks play a crucial role in supporting infrastructure development, making significant contributions to the sustainable growth of society. Excavators are powerful and versatile industrial machines commonly used in construction and mining. Designed for digging, moving, and lifting heavy materials, excavators enhance work efficiency and reduce labor efforts. Typically equipped with a robust arm and a broad bucket, excavators can dig deep and move large quantities of soil, rocks, and other materials in a short period. They often feature powerful engines and precise hydraulic systems, enabling accurate and robust operations. Excavators come in various sizes and capacities, depending on their intended use. Modern technologies have provided them with automation capabilities and integrated intelligent control systems, optimizing performance and minimizing malfunctions. With their crucial role in construction and mining industries, excavators significantly contribute to the development and progress of the economy and society. A grader is a crucial piece of equipment in the construction and excavation industry, designed to level, compress, and shape the earth. Equipped with a set of heavy-duty wheels and a powerful blade, the grader efficiently moves and adjusts soil. Graders play a vital role in road construction, airports, port facilities, and various large-scale projects. The blade of the grader is adjustable in depth and angle, allowing it to adapt to different terrains. Simultaneously, the grader can create a flat and even surface, providing favorable conditions for subsequent construction activities. Moreover, graders reduce manual labor and save time compared to using hand tools. The efficiency and precision of graders have made them an indispensable tool in the construction industry, bringing convenience and cost savings to projects worldwide. Loader, also known as diggers, are powerful and versatile industrial machines designed to perform heavy-duty tasks in construction and mining industries. Loader typically have a block-like structure, featuring an arm that can lift and rotate, combined with a large bucket at the front for gripping and moving materials. With remarkable strength, loader can dig deep and lift large amounts of material in a single operation, reducing time and effort in construction and earth-moving projects. They are extensively used in road construction, dam building, ports, and other large-scale construction projects. The flexibility and high performance of loader have made them iconic in the construction and heavy industry. The self-dumping feature of the bucket when lifted also streamlines the working process. Loader are not only essential tools for infrastructure development, but also play a crucial role in fostering economic and societal growth. The soil compactor, also known as a compaction roller, is a crucial device in the construction and civil engineering industry. Its primary function is to compress soil, rocks, and other construction materials to create a firm and stable surface. Equipped with a powerful engine, the soil compactor can operate efficiently across various terrains. Soil compactors typically have wheels or tracks for easy mobility on construction sites. Additionally, they feature components such as a drum and foot pedals to carry out the soil compaction process. Different models of soil compactors are designed to meet the specific requirements of various tasks. With its effective working capabilities, the soil compactor enhances the soil's solidity, providing a sturdy foundation for construction projects. The diversity and flexibility of soil compactors have made them indispensable tools in the construction industry, contributing significantly to the development and construction of society's infrastructure. Pile-driving machines play a crucial role in the construction and civil engineering industry. Designed to drive piles into hard soil or rock, these machines enhance the stability and strength of foundations. Typically equipped with a hammer positioned at the top of the pile, the machine is powered by a robust engine. During operation, the hammer forcefully impacts the top of the pile, driving it into the ground with significant force. This process is repeated until the pile reaches the desired depth, creating a sturdy and stable foundation. Utilizing pile-driving machines helps minimize the deviation and deformation of the piles, while increasing the load-bearing capacity of the foundation. For large-scale construction projects such as bridges, high-rise buildings, or industrial plants, pile-driving machines play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and stability of the structures. Pile drilling machines are crucial equipment in the construction and civil engineering industry. They are designed to excavate deep and precise holes where piles can be inserted, providing a solid foundation for construction projects. Pile drilling machines have a wide range of applications, from building bridges and skyscrapers to constructing seaports and offshore oil structures. With their high power and precision, these machines enhance the stability and resistance to overturning and collapsing of structures. Some modern pile drilling machines are equipped with smart technology, allowing for automatic depth and angle adjustments, optimizing the drilling process and minimizing errors. The convenience and efficiency of pile drilling machines play a vital role in reducing construction time and optimizing resources. With their powerful capabilities, these machines positively contribute to the sustainable development and quality of construction projects. Asphalt pavers play a crucial role in the construction industry, determining the quality and durability of roadways. Designed to distribute and level asphalt concrete on road surfaces, these machines create a sturdy and smooth asphalt layer. Operating by spreading the asphalt from the hopper onto the road surface, asphalt pavers use screeds and augers to flatten and even out the asphalt layer. This not only enhances the adhesion of the asphalt, but also improves the load-bearing capacity and waterproofing properties of the road. Asphalt pavers often come equipped with automatic control technology, ensuring precision and uniformity throughout the paving process. They are invaluable companions to construction contractors and traffic engineers, contributing to the sustainable development of urban and national transportation infrastructure. Forklifts, an indispensable tool in modern industry and logistics, play a crucial role in the transportation and management of goods. Designed to lift and move heavy items, forklifts help optimize workflow and enhance productivity. There are various types of forklifts, ranging from simple pallet jacks to complex multifunctional forklifts capable of performing a variety of tasks. Electric, gas, or diesel-powered forklifts all have wide-ranging applications, depending on the working environment and specific needs. The use of forklifts reduces time and effort while minimizing the risk of injuries for workers. Thanks to modern features such as sensors, safety systems, and flexible maneuverability, forklifts are becoming an integral part of supply chain management and logistics, helping businesses save costs and optimize their workflows.